Anong uunahin ko, sir? Creatine or whey protein? Pag-usapan natin yan. So, start with creatine, no? Creatine, ang main purpose nito is that it increases yung performance ng muscle mo to be able to perform better. So, mas malakas mag-workout, mas matagal mapagod. Then, because of the water retention, no, yung water inside your muscle, it makes you look a little bit more fuller. Magandang tignan, di ba? Tapos, punta tayo sa whey protein. Ang whey protein naman, supposed to be, it helps you matarget mo yung total protein na kailangan ng katawan mo per day. And if you are reaching your total protein na kailangan ng katawan every day within the next couple of weeks, within the next couple of months, that will convert to muscle growth, no? Promotes muscle growth. Then it will promote muscle recovery as well because of the present amino acid na tumutulong with muscle repair and muscle recovery. Alright, so ano sir uunahin ko? Ito ba? Or ito? Well, based on what you are needing at the moment, no? Kung kaya ng budget naman na, then go for both, no? Since they have different benefits, you're gonna be able to perform better with creatine plus proper nutrition because of the whey protein. That will give you more chances of winning, more chances of muscle gains, no? Pero if, sir, medyo tight ako ngayon, anong uunahin ko? Then identify your situation. If kulang lagi sa protein, I'm not gonna look for this. I'm gonna look for whey protein. If okay ka naman sa protein, then I'm gonna start with creatine. Alright, ganun lang. Very basic. Grind as much as possible para yung pag-select nyo ng mga supplements is something na hindi nyo na problemahin. Alright, you guys have a great day. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga solid na international brands, whey protein, creatine, pre-workouts, mass, Healthy Cortex here, nagla-live po kami everyday. Kita-kita tayo sa live. Lagay ko yung mga famous na creatine brands and whey protein dyan sa yellow basket. Umiskor ka na. Peace! Kita-kita tayo sa live, guys. Thank you.